morning everyone, I am Nala Kandagan. I am Ayushvara. And I am Ashwini Sabar. We are the members of them. Today we are going to present the feeling, definition the figure. So, let's know about problem. Many women feel unsafe while traveling the road alone at night and any time, and not only while traveling, but also staying in offices, educational institutions, and even at home. And this is a big concern in this era. This is caused by no immediate help or any emergency response in danger time of any girl or woman. Also, because of underreporting of cases due to social stigma, and due to all these things, women started avoiding to travel alone at night or any time, and have some experiences like stress, trauma, and anxiety. And here, many appliances are available now, like panic button, which is very costly, and due to that, this is not affordable to everyone. And the main thing is that this appliances needs an internet connection, a phone, and a companion app, and these may not be available to everyone and everywhere. And last but not the least, it might be that the person who is trying to harm the girl or woman may get to know about the gadget and may destroy it.
So now from the problem statement, we know that there is a need for an affordable, discrete device which can be used without internet connection and can send emergency alert message to the police for immediate response. And C-Link is the best device for this. The C-Link can be designed as a watch, a pendant or a glass. This is a watch, and the SOS button will be present at the top of the pendant of a bracelet. Or nowadays it is a word, it is at the side of the watch. And when this button is pressed for more than 3 seconds, an emergency alert message will be sent to the nearest police station and to the registered contacts of family and friends. And at the same time, a siren will ring to alert the nearby people. The message will be there will be a SOS alert, an emergency message from the user name and location. If there is no internet connection, the latitude and longitude coordinates will be displayed to the police station. There is a time and date, and alert will be automatically sent to the nearest police station and to the registered contacts. And each device will have a special unique code. This is how the hardware of the device will be. So there will be a GPS plus GSM model. The GPS will track the location and the GSM will send the message to the police station immediately. And the built-in SIM, if there is an internet connection, the built-in SIM can call the police station. And the Lion battery recharges all this. And the SOS button, when it is pressed, the location will be sent to the police station. Now this siren. So when this SOS button is pressed, the siren will also ring. If this device is a watch, a time display and time chip will be installed so that no one can know this is a SOS device and not a watch.
Social impact. The police will come to help and quick response in an emergency situation. Women can feel safe and confident. They can travel in public transport without any fear and work anytime, everywhere.
In every police station, there will be a dedicated officer, a computer, a helping desk, and a vehicle for immediate response.
Now coming to the conclusion. C-Link, the wearable device, will make every woman feel safe and confident regardless of their social and economic background. Because every woman has the right to feel